finally made it to Westpalm. Good morning. Another overcast, windy day. We got like 23 miles to go today, but it's gonna be real slow going. We have 7 drawbridges to go through. Not looking forward to it. Some of them are open by request, but most of them I have to wait, which is gonna suck in this wind. Honestly, I probably wouldn't go anywhere today. Just stay put and let the weather pass. But Jared flies in tomorrow, and we still got 20 miles to get to where he's flying into, and Kenny's waiting for us, so we're on our way, guys. Sound Bridge is a sailing vessel, Osprey. Do you copy?
Osprey, Hope Sound Bridge.
Good morning, Cap. I'm about a mile north of you, heading southbound, making 6 knots. I'll be there in about 10 minutes. Any chance I can get an opening?
Roger, Cap. What is your height, your length, your beam? Over.
My height is 52, my length is 34, and my beam is 12.
Roger, Cap. Good copy. As soon as you get a little closer to station, we'll start our opening process. Stand by at channel 9.
Roger that, standing by at 9. Statute Mile 1000. Man, I installed these new solar panels and the sun has not come out since I installed them. It's crazy. Timed out, so anyone making 6.5 or more knots will make each one on the half hour. We don't make 6.5 knots, so we get to wait a full hour for each of the next 3 bridges. Yay!
That is a slow one.
West Palm. This is the official jumping off point, or our official jumping off point to the Bahamas. The inlet that we just passed by is where I will be exiting, going out into the ocean in, I don't know, sometime soon, hopefully. Still waiting on my documentation. But in the meantime, we got Jared coming in tomorrow. Kenny is somewhere at work in West Palm. He'll be hanging out with us later today. But now we just get to enjoy the beautiful sunshine of West Palm Beach. Hopefully tomorrow. It's so good to be in West Palm, but man, what a mess. We got to West Palm and couldn't find a good place to bring the dinghy into shore, so we called my brother and he gives us this marina to meet him at. He's on shore, he has a hotel, which we're at right now. Pretty nice. And we get into the dinghy in a rush because we had to make it to this marina in 45 minutes. And go figure, Albert and I get on the dinghy and I said, "You got the keys?" He said, "No, you got the keys?" We locked the keys inside of my boat with the keys to my boat. So I essentially had to jerry rig a setup so I could use my outboard to get to shore and get to Kenny so I could get a screwdriver and break into my boat. The entire ordeal took nearly 2 hours, but finally got it done and got to shore, and now we're in a nice hotel room. But the anchorage is beautiful. We saw a bunch of dolphins, and our first sea turtle of the day was just swimming around the bottom of our boat for probably like an hour, which was so cool. We're hanging out in West Palm until Sunday, I think Kenny leaves, and then it's just me on the boat. I'm gonna head down to Pompano Beach. I got some friends to visit down there. But yeah, it's the end of an era. No more Albert. He leaves on Saturday, officially. Tonight we're just laying low. We're gonna watch the UConn game. Go UConn! Oh, and Jared comes in tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Jared. Next time on Sailing with Stephen.